Chapter 14. Past Tense. Learn with me. In the above Phillips, we saw words like got up, ate, went, played, and slept. These words are verbs and are in simple past tense. They tell us that the action has already taken place in the past. For example, slept, laughed, entered, shouted, rejoiced, jumped, ran, showed, etc. Let's learn the rules for forming verbs in simple past tense. For the verbs that end in consonant plus y, change the y to I and add ed. Examples: study, studied, carry, carried, tally, tallied, and rally, rallied, etc. For the verbs that ends in last two consonant, simply add ed. Examples: walk, walked, jump, jumped, clean, cleaned, etc. For short verbs with single vowel followed by a single consonant, double the last letter and add ed. Examples: clap, clapped, slip, slipped, rap, rapped, stop, stopped, etc. Read the following sentences carefully. 1. She walked to the store yesterday. 2. They played soccer all afternoon. 3. He talked to his friend about the new movie. 4. The cat jumped on the table. 5. We cleaned the house over the weekend. 6. The boy baked the cookies. Remember that some verbs do not follow the above rules. Such verbs are called irregular verbs. Run, ran, come, came, go, went, sand, sent, weep, wept, sit, sat, write, wrought, wake, walk, swim, swam, catch, caught, build, built, sell, sold, bring, brought, buy, bought, catch, caught, take, took, shake, shook, drink, drank, give, gave, draw, drew, teach, taught, spin, spun. Some verbs stay the same in both simple present and past tense. Put, put, cut, cut, shut, shut, hit, hit, coast, coast, hurt, hurt. We use the verbs was, were, and had in the simple past tense. Examples: 1. Rupali was in the school football team. 2. They were in the theater yesterday. 3. She had a headache in the morning. Additional insight: when using the word did or did not in a sentence, the verb stay in its base form, the way it is in the present tense. This is because did already shows that the action happened in the past. So instead of saying she played, we can also say she did play. Here's how it works. Past tense without did. She played outside. Past tense with did. She did play outside. Negative sentence. She did not play outside. Remember, even though we are talking about the past, the verb does not change. When we use did or did not,